Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can turn on game modes on AOC Monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically go to this right corner, and then you'll see the turn off button, menu button, 2 arrows to use, and the exit button. So click on the menu button. Then what you'll need to do is find game setting. Click again on the menu button to confirm it and enter the game setting. Then again the menu button because we want to select game mode, and use your arrows to change game mode. As you can see, like this: game F1, game F3, FPS, RTS, racing, and off. So you can choose whatever you like, and for now I'll choose game mode off. And to confirm it, I can press on the menu button and click 2 times on the exit button to exit this menu, as you can see, like that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.